When you fly a drone long enough, you start noticing something frustrating. The footage often looks incredible in real life, but the moment you open the photo on your computer, it feels flat, the sky looks washed out, the lighting feels dull, and the entire scene loses the drama you actually saw when flying. This is one of the biggest challenges with drone photography. You can capture stunning compositions from the air, but editing them afterward can take a long time. And that's where today's sponsor comes in. Recently, I've been testing Luminar Neo, an AI-powered photo editor designed to simplify editing workflows. A lot of drone photographers use it because it allows you to fix some of the most common aerial photo problems very quickly. And honestly, the feature I've been using the most is something called Sky AI transforming drone photos. If you shoot landscapes with drones, the sky is usually a huge part of your frame, but skies are also one of the most unpredictable parts of aerial photography. Sometimes they're dramatic and beautiful, and sometimes they're just flat. A perfectly composed drone shot can suddenly look boring simply because the sky lacks detail or color. This is where Sky AI in Luminar Neo becomes extremely powerful. Instead of manually masking the sky or spending time adjusting gradients and color layers, the software automatically detects the sky in your photo. With a single click, you can replace it. And what makes this tool interesting is that it doesn't just paste a new sky on top. Luminar analyzes the entire image. It adjusts lighting, it blends color temperature, it matches reflections. So the result actually looks natural. For drone photography, this is incredibly useful because skies define the mood of an aerial shot. You can take the exact same image and completely change its atmosphere. For example, you might want a dramatic sunset sky to make the scene feel cinematic, or a calm, soft sky if you're going for a more minimal, peaceful look. Sometimes I prefer stormy clouds to add depth and tension to a landscape. Other times, a clean, bright sky works better for travel shots. Luminar Neo gives you a whole library of skies to experiment with, and the amazing part is that the adjustment happens in seconds. What would normally require complex masking and blending in traditional software becomes a simple workflow. For drone creators who edit lots of photos, this can save a huge amount of time. Fixing lighting in aerial photos. Another common issue with drone photos is lighting imbalance. Because you're shooting from above, parts of the landscape can be very dark while the sky is bright. Normally fixing that requires careful masking and exposure adjustments. Luminar Neo has a tool called Relight AI that simplifies this process. It analyzes depth in the image and allows you to adjust lighting in different areas of the photo. So you can brighten the landscape without overexposing the sky. This is particularly helpful for sunrise or sunset drone shots, where the contrast between the ground and sky can be extreme. Intelligent masking for drone scenes. Another feature I've been using is Mask AI. Instead of manually drawing masks, Luminar can automatically detect elements in your photo. Things like skywater buildings, mountains, trees for drone shots where you often want to adjust the sky separately from the landscape. This makes editing much faster. You can apply color adjustments or contrast changes only to the parts of the image you want, and the selection happens automatically. Removing distractions. If you've ever flown in cities or rural areas, you probably know how frustrating power lines can be. They often cut across otherwise beautiful drone compositions. Luminar Neo includes a power line removal tool that automatically detects and removes those lines from photos. Instead of spending time cloning or healing manually, the software can clean up the image very quickly. For urban drone photography, this can make a big difference. One slider improvements. And if you just want a quick improvement to a photo, Luminar also includes something called Accent AI. This tool analyzes the image and adjusts multiple parameters at once: exposure, contrast, color balance, detail. With a single slider, you can bring a drone shot to life without diving into complicated editing menus. It's a simple way to get a polished result quickly. Why this matters for drone creators. Drone photography already requires effort. You have to plan the shot, fly safely, manage batteries, find the right perspective. The last thing most creators want is to spend hours editing every image afterward. That's why AI-assisted tools like Luminar Neo are becoming more popular. They help speed up the workflow while still allowing you to fine-tune the final result. For me personally, Sky AI has been the most fun tool to experiment with, because with drone photography, the sky plays such a huge role in storytelling. Changing the sky can completely transform the mood of an image. It can make a scene more dramatic, more calm, more cinematic, or more natural, depending on what you're going for, and being able to experiment with those looks quickly opens up a lot of creative possibilities. Final thoughts. Luminar Neo is designed to make editing easier for photographers and creators who want powerful results without complicated workflows. For drone pilots in particular, tools like Sky AI, Relight AI, and intelligent masking can save a lot of time while still producing professional-looking images. If you want to try Luminar Neo on your own drone photos, check the link in the description. You can use the coupon code TechCourt to get 10% discount. And thanks to Skylum and Luminar Neo for sponsoring this video.